Good day, esteemed guests, colleagues, and participants. I am Dr. Marizan Contreras, and it is both an honor and a privilege to address this gathering of passionate educators, innovators, and thought leaders at this conference. Today, we delve into a topic that touches the very core of progress and innovation. How can we transform engineering education to thrive in an evolving future? Engineering is a driving force behind human advancement. It shapes our infrastructure, powers technological breakthroughs, and addresses pressing global challenges. But the world of engineering is undergoing rapid and profound change. Emerging technologies, sustainability demands, and evolving societal needs have reshaped the role of engineers. The question before us is, are we equipping the next generation of engineers with the skills and mindset to not only adapt to change, but to lead it? Today, I will share insights into the challenges and opportunities in engineering education, discuss its foundational pillars, and propose actionable strategies to ensure that engineering education remains relevant, impactful, and inclusive. Engineering education has long been guided by three fundamental pillars. These pillars are not only the foundation of technical competence, but also the key to developing engineers who can address the complex challenges of an evolving future. Let's take a deeper look at each. First, the technical knowledge. This is the bedrock of engineering education. It encompasses the deep understanding of core principles in mathematics, physics, chemistry, and engineering sciences that underpin the discipline. However, the rapid evolution of technology means that the scope of technical knowledge is constantly expanding. Expanding the technical curriculum. Beyond foundational subjects, programs must integrate cutting-edge topics like machine learning, renewable energy, systems, robotics, and quantum computing. These fields are no longer optional but essential for engineers to stay relevant in modern industries. Interdisciplinary integration. Modern engineering problems rarely exist in isolation. Engineers must collaborate with experts from diverse disciplines like environmental science, economics, and healthcare. Embedding interdisciplinary subjects into curricula ensures graduates are prepared for the multifaceted challenges they will face. Second is practical application. Engineering is a discipline of action. Theories and equations come to life when applied to solve real-world problems. Yet, traditional education often limits students to classroom learning and controlled laboratory experiments, leaving them unprepared for the complexities of real-world projects. Hands-on learning opportunities. Universities must prioritize experiential learning. Project-based courses, capstone projects, and internships provide students with invaluable experience, preparing them to transition seamlessly into industry roles. Then, leveraging technology for practice. Virtual labs, augmented reality simulations, and digital twins offer innovative ways to expose students to practical applications without geographical or resource limitations. For instance, a virtual wind tunnel can allow students to test aerodynamic designs without access to a physical lab. And the third one is professional and ethical responsibility. Engineers hold immense power in shaping the world. Every bridge built, every algorithm coded, and every device designed impacts people and societies. This pillar ensures that engineers use their skills responsibly and with an awareness of the broader consequence of their actions. Under this, embedding ethics in education. Courses on engineering ethics must go beyond theory to engage students in real-life dilemmas. For example, consider the ethical implications of artificial intelligence in healthcare. Should an AI system prioritize cost efficiency or patient outcomes? Second is fostering sustainability. Professional responsibility extends to environmental stewardship. Students must be trained to think about sustainability in all aspects of their work, from designing energy-efficient systems to reducing waste in manufacturing processes. All of these three pillars, when strengthened and balanced, ensure that engineering education produces not only competent professionals but also responsible global citizens. The world of engineering is changing rapidly. To understand why these three pillars are more critical than ever, let's examine the major forces reshaping the profession. First is the technological disruption. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, renewable energy, robotics, and biotechnology are revolutionizing industries. Engineering education must not only introduce these technologies, but also teach students how to adapt as these fields continue to evolve. Second is global challenges. Climate change, urbanization, and resource scarcity require innovative, sustainable solutions. Engineers must design with a global perspective, balancing technical feasibility with social and environmental responsibility. The third one is changing workforce dynamics. Automation is transforming jobs, and globalization has created diverse, cross-cultural workplaces. Engineers must possess soft skills like empathy, communication, and collaboration, alongside technical expertise to thrive in these dynamic environments. These challenges underscore the need for engineering education to evolve, ensuring that graduates are prepared not just to react to changes, but to lead them. So how can we strengthen and innovate each of these pillars to better prepare students for the evolving future? First is reinforcing technical knowledge. Universities must regularly update curricula to reflect advancements in technology. For example, is offering electives on blockchain technology or green energy systems to ensure students to stay ahead of industry trends. Interdisciplinary learning opportunities such as joint programs with medical or business schools, prepare students to work across fields and solve complex problems. Then, expanding practical application, of course. Project-based learning engages students in solving real-world problems. Imagine students designing low-cost prosthetic devices for underserved communities. A project that combines technical knowledge with empathy and creativity. Partnerships with industries allow students to work on cutting-edge technologies and gain exposure to professional environments. For example, internships at companies specializing in EVs or electric vehicles provide hands-on experience with emerging technologies. Then, enhancing professional and ethical responsibility. Engineering ethics courses should be paired with discussions on societal impact of technology. Case studies on data privacy in AI or environmental concerns in industrial design can deepen students' understanding of their responsibilities. Institutions must emphasize sustainability as a core principle, encouraging students to design solutions that benefit both society and the planet. Let me share some remarkable examples from across the globe where innovative approaches to engineering education have revolutionized learning and achieved a lasting impact. These stories illustrate how the core principles of technical expertise, hands-on experience, and ethical responsibility are shaping engineers who are prepared to address the challenges of a rapidly changing world. As we envision the future of engineering education, it is essential to draw inspiration from groundbreaking initiatives already making a difference. These examples highlight transformative efforts that have redefined the way we teach and inspire engineers offering valuable insights with global relevance. At the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT, maker spaces have redefined engineering education. These collaborative spaces are equipped with cutting-edge tools like 3D printers, robotics kits, and laser cutters. Students from diverse disciplines come together to create projects that range from medical devices to disaster response drones. So why is it transformative? Makerspaces foster hands-on learning and encourage students to experiment and innovate. They provide a safe environment for students to prototype ideas, fail fast, and iterate, skills that are critical for solving real-world engineering challenges. For the global impact, MIT's Makerspace model has inspired universities around the world to create similar spaces, democratizing access to tools and enable innovation. The Formula SAE competition. Formula SAE is an international competition where engineering students design, build, and test small-scale race cars. Teams from around the world compete in categories like design, cost efficiency, and vehicle performance. So why it's transformative? This competition integrates technical knowledge with practical application. Students apply classroom theories to solve real-world problems, from optimizing aerodynamics to ensuring vehicle safety. It also promotes teamwork and exposes students to industry-level challenges. For the global impact, thousands of students participate annually, gaining hands-on experience that prepares them for careers in automotive and aerospace engineering. Organized by SpaceX, the Hyperloop Pod competition invites university teams to design and build high-speed transportation pods. The competition challenges students to push the boundaries of what's possible in transportation technology. So why it's transformative? This competition forces students to think creatively and work on cutting-edge technologies like magnetic levitation and aerodynamic optimization. It also emphasizes collaboration across disciplines from mechanical and electrical engineering to business and marketing. For the global impact, many participants have gone on to work for leading technology companies or start their own ventures, applying the skills and innovation mindset gained through the competition. Stanford University's DIDAT School or Design Thinking. The DIDAT School at Stanford University is a leader in teaching human-centered design. Students from engineering and other disciplines collaborate to create solutions that prioritize user needs. Why is transformative? The DDET school teaches empathy as a core engineering skill. By focusing on user-centric problem solving, students learn to create solutions that are not only functional but also meaningful. So for the global impact, the design thinking framework pioneered at Stanford has been adopted by organizations, industries, and universities worldwide, shaping how engineers approach complex problems. For these transformations to succeed, educators and institutions must play an active role. Educators as facilitators. Professors must move from traditional lecturing to mentoring. By fostering curiosity and guiding exploration, they empower students to become independent thinkers and problem solvers. Second is inclusive environments. Institutions must create spaces where students from diverse backgrounds feel valued and supported. Scholarships, mentorship programs, and inclusive teaching practices help broaden access to engineering education. Third is lifelong learning opportunities. As technology evolves, engineers must continue learning throughout their careers. Universities can support this by offering short courses, online certifications, and alumni engagement programs to keep graduates at the cutting edge of their fields. Then, collaborations with industry and society. Building strong partnerships with industries ensures that curricula remain relevant and aligned with professional demands. Simultaneously, engaging with communities allows students to apply their knowledge to meaningful real-world challenges. The future of engineering education depends on collective action. Together, we must strengthen the three pillars of technical knowledge, practical application, and professional responsibility. Embrace innovation in teaching methodologies and technologies. Cultivate engineers who are not only skilled professionals but also ethical leaders and compassionate global citizens. So let's remember that engineering is about more than technical skills. It is about shaping lives and building a better future. As educators, we have the power to inspire and prepare the next generation of engineers to rise to the challenges of an evolving world. Thank you for your time, your dedication, and your passion for education. Together, let us innovate engineering education to empower students, address global challenges, and create a brighter tomorrow. Again, thank you very much for listening.